Ever heard of a bank that fits seamlessly into your pocket? No, we're not talking about a flimsy mobile banking app glued to your phone case. We're diving into the world of online banking, specifically the powerhouse German institution, comdirect. Comdirect has been a game-changer in Europe, offering a one-stop shop for all your financial needs, from everyday banking to stock trading and investment opportunities. But with great financial power comes great responsibility, and that responsibility falls on the shoulders of the CEO. So, who is the brain behind comdirect's innovative approach to banking? Buckle up, because we're about to unravel the leadership story at comdirect. From humble beginnings to digital domination, comdirect wasn't always the online banking behemoth it is today. It started in 1994 as a phone brokerage service, a pioneer in the discount brokerage scene. They saw the potential of technology to democratize finance, making it accessible and affordable for everyone. Fast forward a couple of decades, and comdirect has transformed into a fully fledged online bank. This shift required a visionary leader at the helm, someone who understood the digital landscape and could translate that vision into a user-friendly banking experience. Frau Hegeman, the woman leading the charge. Enter Frau Hegeman, the current CEO of comdirect Bank. Hegeman's journey within comdirect is a testament to her dedication and leadership skills. She joined the company in 2007, starting in the operations and personnel department. Her hard work and strategic thinking saw her climb the corporate ladder, eventually landing the coveted CEO position in 2019. Hegeman's focus has been clear: to solidify comdirect's position as a leader in the ever-evolving fintech landscape. Under her leadership, comdirect has continued to innovate, offering new features like mobile investing tools and personalized financial advice platforms. More than just a CEO, Hegeman's vision for the future. Hegeman isn't just about the bottom line. She's a strong advocate for financial literacy, particularly among young people. She spearheaded initiatives like the Stiftung, a nonprofit foundation dedicated to promoting math education and encouraging a love for numbers. This commitment to financial education goes hand in hand with comdirect's core philosophy. They believe that everyone, regardless of background or financial knowledge, deserves access to easy-to-use and transparent financial tools. Comdirect's leadership, a collaborative force. It's important to remember that no CEO operates in a vacuum. Hegeman is supported by a strong leadership team, including the chairman of the supervisory board, Jovan Suter. Together, they chart the course for comdirect, ensuring the bank remains agile and responsive to the ever-changing needs of its customers. The future of comdirect, a blend of innovation and stability. Looking ahead, comdirect faces exciting challenges. The world of fintech is constantly evolving, with new players and technologies emerging all the time. Hegeman and her team will need to navigate this dynamic landscape while staying true to comdirect's core values of innovation, accessibility, and customer focus. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.